After 60, one of the biggest threats to your independence isn't always heart disease or diabetes. It's something far quieter: sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass while you age. Many seniors don't even notice it happening, but the signs are there. Waking up weaker in the morning, climbing stairs more slowly, or struggling to carry groceries that once felt easy. And here's the surprising truth: most of this muscle breakdown happens at night when your body should be in repair mode. Instead of rebuilding, your muscles are often left without the nutrients they need, so they continue to shrink while you sleep. The good news: you can turn this around. By choosing the right vitamins before bed, you can actually transform your nighttime hours into your strongest weapon against muscle loss. These nutrients don't just protect your muscles, they also calm your nerves, strengthen your bones, and support recovery so you wake up steadier, stronger, and ready for the day. I'm Dr. Pas Sam, and for over 30 years, I've been helping older adults combat weakness, rebuild strength, and maintain their independence. In today's video, I'll share the 3 key vitamins to take at night that help rebuild muscle while you sleep. If you find this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe. It's a small action that helps our senior health community grow, and it ensures you won't miss the tips that could keep you strong for years to come. At number 3, we begin with magnesium, the relaxation and repair mineral, a mineral so fundamental that it participates in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the human body. Yet studies consistently show that older adults are among the most deficient in this essential nutrient, and the consequences directly affect muscles, nerves, and recovery. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral because it calms the nervous system and helps regulate muscle contractions. For seniors, this is crucial. Without enough magnesium, muscles tend to cramp, twitch, or remain in a state of low-grade tension, which not only causes discomfort but also interferes with the repair process that happens at night. By replenishing magnesium in the evening, you help your muscles truly relax, allowing the body to shift into restorative mode while you sleep. From a muscular standpoint, magnesium plays a direct role in protein synthesis. This is the process where your body takes amino acids from your diet and rebuilds them into new muscle tissue. Research has shown that adequate magnesium intake enhances muscle protein synthesis by improving the function of enzymes that assemble these proteins. In older adults, where anabolic resistance makes it harder for muscles to respond to dietary protein, magnesium acts like a facilitator, ensuring that what you eat during the day is efficiently converted into strength during the night. But magnesium's benefits don't stop with the muscles. It also supports energy metabolism by regulating ATP, the molecule that fuels every cell. When ATP is bound to magnesium, it becomes biologically active, meaning your cells can actually use it to power recovery and repair. Without this mineral, energy production falters, leaving you feeling weaker and more fatigued in the morning. Another critical aspect is sleep quality. Poor sleep is one of the hidden accelerators of sarcopenia, because muscle repair is most active during deep sleep stages. Magnesium supports the production of GABA, a calming neurotransmitter, and helps regulate melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep cycles. Seniors who optimize magnesium intake often experience fewer nighttime awakenings, deeper sleep, and better morning energy, all of which contribute indirectly to stronger muscles. Finally, magnesium has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the key reasons older muscles fail to recover properly. By lowering markers like CRP, C-reactive protein, magnesium reduces this hidden damage, creating a healthier environment for muscle repair and growth. In summary, magnesium is far more than a simple mineral. For seniors, it is the foundation of muscle relaxation, protein building, energy metabolism, deep sleep, and inflammation control. Taking it in the evening ensures that all these processes are active precisely when your body needs them most, overnight during the critical hours of repair. At number 2, we have vitamin D3, the strength and balance. Vitamin, often called the sunshine vitamin, paired with vitamin K2 for maximum safety and effectiveness. Together, they act as one of the most powerful nutrient combinations for maintaining muscle strength, bone integrity, and balance after 60. Vitamin D3 is essential for muscle protein synthesis and contraction. Without it, your muscles simply cannot function at their best. Low levels of vitamin D3 have been consistently linked to muscle weakness, slower walking speed, and an increased risk of falls among seniors. In fact, scientific evidence shows that restoring vitamin D levels can improve muscle fiber size, particularly the fast twitch fibers responsible for quick movements and balance. This means you not only become stronger, but also more stable, reducing the chance of dangerous falls that can lead to fractures. But here's the tricky part. Vitamin D3 increases calcium absorption from your diet. While that sounds positive, if calcium is not properly directed, it can build up in the wrong places, such as arteries, kidneys, and joints, leading to calcification, stiffness, and cardiovascular problems. This is where vitamin K becomes indispensable. K2 acts like a traffic director, guiding calcium out of the bloodstream and into the bones where it belongs. This synergy not only strengthens your skeletal system, but also protects your arteries from hardening. Taking vitamin D3 at night has added benefits. During sleep, the body undergoes cellular repair and bone remodeling, processes that require both calcium and vitamin D activity. Ensuring these nutrients are available in the evening supports efficient rebuilding of both muscle and bone tissue overnight. Another key aspect is balance. Seniors with low vitamin D levels often experience impaired coordination and a higher risk of falls. Supplementing D3 with K2 has been shown to improve neuromuscular function, the ability of nerves and muscles to communicate effectively. This translates into better reaction times, steadier posture, and improved mobility, all critical for maintaining independence after 60. It's also worth noting that vitamin D3 has anti-inflammatory and immune modulating effects. Chronic inflammation contributes to muscle wasting and joint pain, while impaired immunity increases vulnerability to infections that further weaken the body. By keeping vitamin D levels optimized, you create an internal environment that is both stronger and more resilient. In summary, vitamin D3 with K2 is far more than a bone support vitamin. It is a strength and balance vitamin, helping you build muscle fibers, protect your arteries, direct calcium to the right places, and improve coordination. For seniors, it is one of the most valuable nighttime nutrients to ensure you wake up stronger and steadier each morning. Finally, at number 1, we come to vitamin C. The collagen builder, a nutrient many people associate only with immunity. But for seniors, it plays a far deeper role. It is the body's primary collagen builder. Collagen is the structural protein that forms the scaffolding of muscles, tendons, ligaments, and skin. Without enough collagen, muscles weaken, joints become stiff, and recovery from even minor injuries slows dramatically. Vitamin C is the essential cofactor for enzymes that assemble collagen molecules. Without it, the body cannot effectively link amino acids into strong, resilient connective tissue. This is why seniors with low vitamin C intake often notice fragile skin, slow wound healing, and aching joints. When taken at night, vitamin C supports the natural repair processes that occurred during sleep, allowing your body to rebuild and reinforce tissues that have been strained throughout the day. Beyond collagen, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. As we age, oxidative stress accumulates in muscles and blood vessels, damaging cells and impairing recovery. Vitamin C neutralizes these free radicals, reducing inflammation and protecting muscle fibers from breakdown. This antioxidant effect also safeguards the endothelium, the inner lining of your blood vessels, improving circulation so oxygen and nutrients reach muscles efficiently overnight. Scientific evidence supports its role in maintaining muscle health. Research in the Journal of Nutrition has shown that seniors with higher vitamin C levels had greater skeletal muscle mass and better physical performance than those who were deficient. Another study highlighted that adequate vitamin C intake was associated with a lower risk of frailty, meaning better mobility, balance, and independence. Importantly, vitamin C also enhances the absorption of iron, a mineral critical for carrying oxygen in the blood. For seniors, this means muscles receive the oxygen supply they need to contract and repair effectively, especially during nighttime recovery. Taking vitamin C in the evening is particularly beneficial because the body's repair processes are most active during sleep. By ensuring vitamin C is present at that time, you give your body the raw material it needs to mend tissues, reduce inflammation, and build stronger collagen for muscles and joints. In short, vitamin C is not just a cold-fighting nutrient, it is a cornerstone of healthy aging. As the collagen builder, it strengthens your muscles, supports your joints, protects circulation, and ensures that while you sleep, your body is actively rebuilding rather than breaking down. Now that we've explored the three key nighttime vitamins, magnesium, vitamin D3 with K2, and vitamin C, the next question is, how do you actually use them safely and effectively? The truth is, supplements only work if taken at the right dose, in the right form, and at the right time. For seniors, that means a practical, consistent routine that fits easily into daily life. Let's start with magnesium. The recommended daily amount for older adults is around 320 milligrams for women and 420 milligrams for men. Because supplements vary, it's best to look for forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate, which are better absorbed and gentler on the stomach. Taken in the evening, ideally 30 to 60 minutes before bed, magnesium helps relax your muscles and prepare your body for restful sleep while supporting overnight recovery. Next is vitamin D3 with K2. Many seniors are deficient in vitamin D, especially if they spend little time outdoors. A common safe range is 1,000 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, though some people may require more depending on blood test results. Always pair D3 with at least 100 mcg of vitamin K2, preferably the MK7 form, which ensures calcium goes into your bones rather than your arteries. The best time to take this combo is with your evening meal, since dietary fat helps absorption. Finally, vitamin C. Seniors should aim for 200 to 500 millimark daily, an amount shown in studies to boost collagen production and protect muscles without causing digestive upset. Vitamin C can be taken as a supplement or through food sources like oranges, bell peppers, and broccoli with dinner. Taken in the evening, it helps fuel the repair processes that happen while you sleep, ensuring your muscles and connective tissues stay strong. The most important guideline is consistency. These vitamins work gradually, not overnight. Making them part of your bedtime routine, just like brushing your teeth, ensures steady support for muscle growth and repair. And always remember, more is not always better. Stick to recommended amounts and check in with your doctor, especially if you take other medications. By combining these three vitamins in a thoughtful nighttime plan, you give your body the tools it needs to rebuild muscle, strengthen bones, and reduce inflammation, all while you sleep. It's a small habit that can make a big difference in how strong, steady, and energetic you feel each morning. And here are some additional tips for seniors. When it comes to supplements, the smartest approach is always personalization. Not every senior needs the exact same dose. For example, vitamin D3 should ideally be adjusted based on a simple blood test, aiming for blood levels between 30 to 50 mmol. Too little won't help, but too much can cause calcium buildup. It's also best to avoid taking all supplements at once if you have a sensitive stomach. Instead, spread them out with meals in the evening. Magnesium is particularly relaxing before bedtime, while vitamin D3 with K2 and vitamin C can be taken with dinner for optimal absorption. Another tip is to combine supplements with food sources. Don't rely only on pills. Dark leafy greens, nuts, fish, citrus fruits, and fermented foods all provide natural forms of these nutrients that your body may use even more efficiently. Supplements are there to fill the gaps, not to replace a balanced diet. Finally, always watch how your body responds. If you notice digestive upset, unusual fatigue, or anything that feels off, adjust timing or dosage and consult your doctor. Supplements should make you feel stronger and more energized, not create discomfort. By following these guidelines and staying mindful, you ensure that these 3 nighttime vitamins become your allies in rebuilding muscle, improving sleep, and protecting independence, instead of turning into unnecessary risks. So here's the bottom line. After 60, muscle loss doesn't just happen during the day. It accelerates at night if your body doesn't have the nutrients it needs for repair. By focusing on 3 powerful nighttime vitamins, magnesium, vitamin D3 with K2, and vitamin C, you give your body the tools to relax, rebuild, and wake up stronger. Think of magnesium as the switch that calms your muscles and nerves. Vitamin D3 with K2 as the architect that directs calcium and keeps your bones steady, and vitamin C as the builder that reinforces collagen and muscle fibers. Together, they create the perfect environment for your body to heal while you sleep. The key is not excess, but consistency. A balanced daily dose combined with real foods can make the difference between waking up stiff and weak or rising each morning with more strength and stability. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Do you already take any of these vitamins at night? Or will you start adding them to your routine after watching this video? Let me know in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else in our community. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next science-backed tip for senior health. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to stronger muscles, better sleep, and healthier years ahead.